So the students from the very beginning are assigned cases to work on where we represent veterans in disability compensation cases before the VA and what are also known as discharge upgrade cases before the Department of Defense. So the students from the day they start have clients that they're assisting being supervised by attorneys, but they are involved in every aspect of the case for any veteran that they are representing. So it really is like working on any legal case. You have to take the law, the facts, put it together and create the best possible argument and do that in a professional, polished way that's going to help the veteran.
What was just really cool is how appreciative every single client we work with is. The clients they have here at the clinic are so grateful, so appreciative. They're so easy to talk to. It truly is like a partnership when you're working with them. You know, they're relying on you to kind of do everything in your wheelhouse and in your expertise of the law, and you're very much relying on them for, you know, their military experiences and their background. It's really great dialogue, and it's so cool to hear their stories. And so I just remember kind of being blown away at just like the quality of clients they have here in the clinic.
It has taught me a lot about how to interact with people on a human level. I think a lot of the times in law school, we're confined to how do you research, how do you go about learning how to practice law, but they don't teach you much of the human aspect of it. So the clinic really gives you an opportunity to see people and get to know people on a level that is, I think, unmatched anywhere else in law school.
Any form of clinic is a good experience, but the Veterans Clinic is special, and it's helping people that truly need the help and are at a particularly vulnerable time in their life, and they're up against the world's largest bureaucracy. I run into folks all the time that have been served by the clinic or have heard about the clinic and have gotten results.
I'm terrible with paperwork, and I'm terrible with getting back to people and calling people back, and they were just relentless. You know, they were like, hey, we need this signed. We need this. They'll send another email. And they're not rude about it. They're just sending another email like, hey, you know, just whenever you get a chance. I'm like, yeah, okay, I got you. They didn't let anything slide away. You know, they were always on top of it.
The one thing I would say that they would take away is the knowledge that they can take on a case, do all the work that you have to do as an attorney, and be successful at it. That's the one thing that they really gain from working in the Veterans Clinic.
It's truly invaluable experience. You get to work with amazing people, you get to work with clients, and the work itself is incredibly rewarding. You have some handlebars and you have some guardrails, and they make sure you're going in the right direction, but more than anything, they kind of let you spread your wings, and I think it's a learning curve, but it makes you better prepared for what we're all going to go do eventually.
Without the clinic, they changed my life for the better, like in a way that I can't explain. It's just working with them has just been a pleasure.